Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 2nd of March 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. Jammu and Kashmir Trade Promotion Organization has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with which entity for investor in Jammu and Kashmir? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Ladakh Jammu and Kashmir Economic Growth and Development Dialogues. So recently the Jammu and Kashmir Trade Promotion Organization signed MOU with Ladakh Jammu and Kashmir Economic Growth and Development Dialogues. So basically the MOU was signed for the investor in Jammu and Kashmir. So the MOU will allow showcasing the sector-wise opportunity in Jammu and Kashmir to the potential investor so that they will make investment. Apart from that, it will help Jammu and Kashmir to make it attractive for the investor to invest in. Okay, so now question number 2. Who has recently been appointed to lead Twitter's public policy and philanthropic initiative in India and South Asia? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Samiran Gupta. So recently the Samiran Gupta will lead microblogging platform Twitter's public policy and philanthropic efforts in India and South Asia. Prior to joining Twitter, Gupta was the head of stakeholders engagement in South Asia for Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number. So, Gupta was associated with the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number, a non-profit organization. So, basically, he served there for a 7 year. Apart from that, he was also briefly the firm's head of the stakeholders engagement for the South Asia market. The news of the appointment comes almost a year after former Public Policy Director of India and South Asia, Mahima Kaul, resigned. Okay, so now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. So the name of the Twitter CEO is Parag Agarwal. It is founded on year 2006 on the date of 21st March. Okay, so now question number 3. As per NSO, India's GDP to be at dash for the financial year 2022. So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is 8.9%. So recently, the National Statistical Office has released its second advanced estimate of the national accounts. It has been projected that India's GDP for the 2021 to 2022, that is financial year 2022, to be 8.9%. Earlierly, it has estimated the projection to be 9.2% for the same. Apart from that, the National Statistical Office has estimated GDP for the financial year 2020 to 2021 to 6.6%. So the estimation was 7.3 for the same. As per the NSO, India's economy contracted 23.8% in April to June in 2020 and 6.8% in July to September in quarter in 2020. Okay, so now question number 4. Where will be the India's first e-waste eco-park setup? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is in Delhi. So recently the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, announced that India's first e-waste eco-park will soon to be established in Delhi. So it will have to handle the increasing e-waste. So it will perform recycling, rebursing, remanufacturing of the e-waste by using scientific and technological approaches. It will be developed on 20 acres of land. Apart from that, it will also have an authorized market which will be secondary product sale markets for the batteries, electronic goods, laptop, chargers, mobiles and PC. So basically by using innovative technology, there will be an environmental safe disposable of e-waste. So, the Delhi cabinet has also agreed to devise Delhi Film Policy 2022, which will be promote tourism. So, Delhi will become a major hub for the modern filmmaking. It will fulfill the European standard. Okay, so now question number 5. Which of the following is the first multilateral organization to have a presence in Gujarat International Finance Tech City? So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is New Development Bank. So recently the New Development Bank has become the first multilateral agency to have its office in the Gujarat International Fintech City. So the approval to set up an office in the Gujarat International Fight Tech City, also known as GIFT City, is received to the New Development Bank, and the office will be inaugurated in May 2022. Okay, so now question number 6. Who recently inaugurated the Seminar Industry Connect 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Dr. Mansukh Mandavia. So recently Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, also the Chemical and Fertilizer, has inaugurated the seminar on the topic Industry Connect 2022. So basically the stress on the importance of the innovative and technology for the progress of the country, and it is the greater industry academian partnership. Apart from that, the innovative zeal and the manufacturing quality products at the scale will be helped in Prime Minister vision to make in India and make for the world. Okay, so now question number 7. What is the India's rank in terms of the implementing the T+1 stock settlement method in stage beginning on February 25th? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is second. So recently the India has become the second country after China to implement the T+1 stock settlement mechanism in the phased manner from 25th February. So the system will be starting with a select stock and then gradually adding others to the fold. So the instruction regarding this was issued by SEBI on January 1st, 2022. Before this, the settlement period of the stock in India was T+2, that is 2 days after the actual and buying selling of the stock. Okay, so now question number 8. When was the DST-CCI Technology Summit held recently? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 23rd and 24th of February 2022. So recently Government of India hosted the 28th edition of the DST-CII Technology Summit on 23rd and 24th February 2022. So the summit was held virtually. Singapore is the partner country for this year's Technology Summit. Apart from that, Technology Summit has been very crucial in providing significant opportunity to build and improve bilateral technology partnership over a year of more than 2 decades. Okay, so now question number 9. Which country bilateral swap agreement, also known as BSA, has been renewed by India? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Japan. So recently, Japan and India has renewed the bilateral swap agreement, the size of which is the USD 75 billion. So basically, the BSA is the two-way arrangement where both authorities can swap their local currency in exchange for US dollar. So the interest rate charged in case is fixed at the time of signing the agreement. Hence, it reduces the risk cost due to the fluctuation in exchange rate. Apart from that, the actual bilateral swap agreement was signed between Bank of Japan and Reserve Bank of India in 2018. Okay, so now last question. In Odisha, which bank is launching Project Banksakhir? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Bank of Maharashtra. So recently the public sector lender, that is Bank of Maharashtra, has announced the launch of Project Banksakhir in Odisha in collaboration with Mahagram and Sunivesh India Finance Service Private Limited for online bank account opening. So it will provide doorstep and hassle-free access to the people of the Odisha for opening bank account. Okay. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.